Microsoft recently made a change to how OneDrive works on business managed Windows devices. If a personal Microsoft account was previously used on the device, say in Word or Outlook, OneDrive may now prompt user to add that personal account to get synced, even without IT approval. This puts your corporate data at serious risk. Files can be copied or synced to personal OneDrive storage, you can say outside your organization's control. Imagine confidential reports, business files, and financial data ending up in a personal cloud where it can be shared, leaked, or lost. So, in this video, we will apply some settings from Microsoft Intune to stop this risk. Make sure you have global administrator account to log into Microsoft Intune. In your browser, please type intune.microsoft.com and then please navigate to devices. In devices, we want to go to configurations. Some Microsoft portal will show configuration profiles. Once in the configuration, let's go and create a new policy. In the platform, we want to apply this policy to Windows 10 and later, and then select the setting catalog and hit create button. We want to name it block OneDrive personal sync. Next, here let's go ahead and add the settings. In the search bar, I want to search for OneDrive. Here, let's navigate to OneDrive. We got all settings related to OneDrive below. The first setting we want for our OneDrive is silently sign in user to OneDrive sync app with their Windows credential. The credential we use to connect the computer to Microsoft Intune. And second setting we want to enable here is prevent user from syncing personal OneDrive account. That's fine. We have selected both of these settings. Just go ahead and enable this and click next. You could define any scope tag. I'm skipping this step, and here we have an option to add groups. You could add all users and all devices. Let's go ahead and quickly add only one group here. Okay, you could also exclude the groups here. Let's click next. And here we could review all of the setting and we could go ahead and create this policy. Now the second important settings I want to show you that what if we want to allow only our company domain account to get synced to OneDrive. So let's go again to configuration. Let's create the new policy here. Again, select the Windows 10 and later, and then in the profile type, let's select the setting again. Here, let's name it. Click next. Let's go ahead and add the settings. Okay, let's again search for OneDrive here. Select the OneDrive. In the settings, we want allow syncing OneDrive account for only specific organization. Once you have selected this setting, let's go back. Let's enable this. And here it's asking us to enter the tenant ID of their specific organization. To get tenant ID, let's quickly go to portal.azure.com. Here we want to go to Microsoft Intra ID. If you can't find Microsoft Intra ID here, you could just go ahead and search here Microsoft Intra ID. Just open that. Once you will in Microsoft Intra ID, you will find the tenant ID here, right? So just copy the tenant ID, go back to the profile where we only want to allow our organization's domain account to get synced. Just paste the tenant ID here, and please note that you could paste more than one tenant ID. For the time being, I'm doing it only one. Let's click next, again next. Here, you could go ahead and again add the group. Next, and I'm ready to review the setting and click on create this policy. In our first example, we have block syncing of personal OneDrive account. We have allowed only Windows login account to get synced to OneDrive, and in the last and final setting, we have allowed only the specific tenant accounts or a domain to get synced to OneDrive. By performing all these steps, we could just make sure that our company data is saved and didn't get leaked from our corporate organization. I hope you like this simple and to the point video. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care. Bye.